Hey everybody, Eric here with Evade and Survive Tactical Training and Equipment, and we're talking today about matches, regular matches, and extending their burn time by wrapping them with different flammable things. Alright, so regular striker match. Okay, that's your regular, unaltered match. It burns for so long and then it's out. Okay. Now I've got one where I put some duct tape on it. Let's see what that does. Hey guys, I had to come inside because the wind was picking up and it's blowing my match out. But this is the duct tape wrapped match, and you can see that thing is burning something fierce. Now that would do a lot better for starting your fire out in the bush than just a regular match. Alright, so that's duct tape. Now that's pretty awesome right there. That's going to get a fire going. Okay, so we're going to call that good. Okay, next up we got a match wrapped with fishing line. Okay, see what that does. Whoa. Well, it's burning. It's melting the fishing line. It's burning. Burning pretty good. So we're going to call the fishing line a go. Good stuff. Okay, third and final test. This is a match wrapped with a Band-Aid. Okay, just a Band-Aid. So let's see what this one does. Alright. So the Band-Aid definitely catches fire, extends the burn time. That would definitely help your fire making abilities right there. Okay, so the Band-Aid's a go. Okay, Band-Aid's a definite go. So there's three different things you could wrap your field expedient things you could wrap your matches with to extend the burn time, and that would make a considerable difference, especially out in the field when you're only got a handful of matches left. So think about that. You can improvise that. If you get a whole box of matches, you don't have to worry about it, but when you're getting down to the wire and you got to make them count, you could supplement the match with some type of material that burns. So we tested fishing line, we tested duct tape, and we tested a Band-Aid, and they all work. Okay.